Alright, this is a front and rear dash cam, and I installed it in my Jeep to record everything while I'm driving. Now, I was sent this Z60 Dash Cam by DDPAI, and the first thing I did was mount the front and rear cameras and power it on. The installation process was straightforward, and it didn't take long to get everything set up and running. Right here, you can see the footage from the front camera. It records in 4K, so the video looks clear, and it captures details on the road during the day and at night. As you can see, the rear camera is also recording at the same time. On the screen, I can toggle between the front and rear views to check each angle. It has built-in storage, and you can add more space by installing a memory card if you need extra recording capacity. I can also connect through the app using Wi-Fi to view and download footage. It also includes features like GPS tracking, parking mode support, and alerts that help monitor activity while the car is on or parked. If you want a dash cam setup that's easy to install and records both front and rear with clear footage, this is a strong one to go with.